Malkia magzima seruti mar piny Netherlands otimo limbe okinyi ma kawuono e kaunti ma Kisumu e limbe mare mokwongo bang' donjo e winjruok gi tend kauntino e chwalo chenro mag dongruok e kor gwenge.
Malkia no bende ne dhi limo thoth chenro mayande piny Netherlands sire kauntino kama oting'o chwalo kod medo bero weche pii e kor gwenge, medo bero yore mag tudruok mag lony manyasani, siro weche pur gi ohala e alwora manyando kod siro chenro mag kedo gi lokruok chal kor lwasi.
Kagitwag gi jofwambo, gavana mar kaunti ma Kisumu orwako limbe Malkia no kendo singo ni tend kaunti mare biro dhi nyime gi tiyo machiegni kod piny mar Netherlands e chwalo chenro mag dongruok e alwora kod gwenge ma Kisumu.
The agreement we signed in October 2022 during my visit to the Netherlands involves conducting the purchase of bulk meters. Thirdly, we have the Hello tractor project in Nyando, the one you were talking about. The one is managed digitally. And it has really worked because most farmers in the Nyando belt, this is a rice-growing area, which is sometimes extremely difficult to navigate because of water. But at least close to 1 million farmers is going to benefit from this project.
But now it's time to look at, the effects of that digital financial inclusion on people and how we can actually help farmers be able to weather, climate shocks, droughts, or even floods, or even, invest better for the future to have better yields and better production. And this is very important, of course, for their own income, but also the food security of the country. We're actually talking about sort of climate smart agriculture, but that you also need to invest and you also need to finance. So every farmer needs to do their own investments. So I think we're trying to look in the way on how we can actually help with the digital financial services to actually